Today I'm going to be showing you how I decorated the Mercedes hood ornaments into a wreath. Okay, you'll need a pack of pipe cleaners that include green and red. I got this from Michael's. It costs $5, and of course they always have coupons, so don't buy it without a coupon. So I got this for $2.50 with the coupon. So what we're going to do is first take a green pipe cleaner, and we're going to start right at this point, kind of fold it around like this underneath, and we'll just start wrapping it around the outer edge of their Mercedes symbol like so. Okay, so I just wrapped up the outer part of the wreath. It took me 4 green pipe cleaners exactly. Now I'm going to make a bow out of red pipe cleaners. And I'm going to use 2 pipe cleaners, 1 for each side of the bow. Just gonna take it like this, wrap it around a few times. One side, make the bow however big or small you want. I'm going to keep mine kind of small. Wrap this side around a few times to make it sturdy. Then I'm going to trim whatever I don't need. Go. And I'm going to basically repeat for the other side. So here's the finished product.